Welcome to San Francisco, where the local time is 7:40 a.m. Please stay comfortably seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in an exit row, please don't plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seatbelt pocket and area around your seat to make sure you have all of your belongings, and be careful when opening overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions you might have. Your feedback is important to us. Some of you will receive a survey asking you about your experience via email or in the United app. We'd like to know how you enjoyed your flight with us today. On behalf of the entire United team and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We do hope that you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, please stay clear of the door area to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties. And ladies and gentlemen, despite arriving early, I do know that there are quite a few of you that have a tight connection. Once the seatbelt sign comes off, that'll be your indication to get up. Please check the United app now. We are coming into the D gates. A lot of you very tight connectors are going out of the E gates, so it's right next door basically. It'll only take you about 5 minutes to walk to the E gates from where we're going to be coming out of. As long as you don't stop anywhere and try to go to the bathroom or go to one of the shops, you'll have plenty of time to make it to your flight. For those of you that have the tighter connections out of the F gates, you can still make it in plenty of time to board.